Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to change the Waze icon in 2026. If you want to customize the icon that represents you on the map, here's how to do it. First, open the Waze app on your phone. From the main map screen, tap the menu icon and select your profile. Next, look for the option to customize your Waze experience. Depending on your version, find the option for mood or vehicle icon. If you want to change the icon representing you, select Mood and choose the icon you like. If you want to change a vehicle displayed while navigating, open the vehicle or car icon settings and select an available option. After choosing your preferred icon, return to the map. Your new selection should now appear while you use Waze. Keep in mind that available icons can change depending on your Waze version, location, or special events. And that's how to change the Waze icon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.